Hello student, welcome to the online tutorial session. Today's topic is personal area network. So PAN stands for personal area network. So compared to LAN, PAN is taking the smaller area. The area coverage in case of PAN is much more smaller than the LAN. So the actually you are able to see the personal area network is arranged within the individual person, typically within the range of 10 meter. So 10 meter is not a huge distance, it's a very small distance. So we individual person, one person to one system to this, like that we are if your computer is there, we are connected with your fax machine, or you can connect your system with a printer, like that. It's an individual kind of a sector where the distance is not more than 10 meter. Then we can set up this individual kind of a network that is called personal area network. Personal area network is used for connecting the computer devices of the personal use. So personal use purposes, if you have one system, you are connected it with a fax machine, you are connected with a printer, you are connected with a projector. For your personal use, when you are connecting the other devices with your terminal or with your system, so that kind of a network which is formed, this is called the personal area network. So Thomas Zimmermann was the first research scientist to bring the idea of a personal network. Please remember the name, that is Thomas Zimmermann was the first research scientist who gave this concept of personal, because we are generally actually seeing that in your home, you set up the system that is for your individual purpose, for your individual use. That one is called PAN. Okay, so personal area network can cover the area. We are talking about the distance range, that is 10 meter, but the area is 30 feet. The area coverage is 30 feet. Okay, these personal computer devices are used to develop the personal area network, are the laptop, mobile phones, media player, or PlayStation. That would suppose you want to set up a PlayStations, or you have to connect your laptops with the projector for preparing presentations at your home. Okay, or you can want to connect your phones with the systems, or like the phones directly with the projector one, or phone with directly with the laptops and all. For this kind of a setup, when different devices are connected for your personal purpose in a limited area, then this kind of a network is called personal area network. See this kind of example, your laptop is connected with your phone, or your laptop is connected with your headset or printer, fax machine, or mouse, or with a mobile or another laptop, something like that, using USB and all. So this kind of a setups that's usually seen at your home, that actually the best example of the PAN kind of a network. Okay. So there are two different types of PAN area networks are available. Okay, one is wired personal area network, another one is wireless personal area network. Why there are two type of things? Nowadays we don't need to connect each and every device with your system or laptop with your USB jack. Without also the using USB jack, using USB jack means without using the cable wired. Okay, without using the any wired connection, we can also connect our devices. Suppose Bluetooth connectivity is there, through which we can connect your headset or something like that. Right now the wireless mouse and wireless keyboards are also available, so wireless communication. Or else you can connect your mouse, wired mouse with your system also, because automatically inbuilt mouse is also there in your laptop. But then also, if you don't want to use that one, you can use the wired mouse with it also for your personal comforts. So depending upon this, there are two type of personal networks are available. One is wired personal area network, another one is wireless personal area network. These two. So now what is wireless personal area network? So see, wireless personal area network is a wireless personal area network is developed by simply using the wireless technology, like Wi-Fi technology we are using, or we are using Bluetooth technology, so that using this Wi-Fi technology or Bluetooth technology, we don't need to use the wired connection. Wirelessly we can connect the other devices. So it is a low range network. And in case of wired personal area, what we are seeing, that wired personal area is created by the USB. Without USB you cannot connect your phone with your laptops, uh, or you, like, know, if you are not using the wireless mouse, then you have to use USB jacked mouse to connect with it. Okay, so let's see few example of this. So example of a personal area networks, that body area network. Body area network actually is the network that moves within a person. Okay, moves within a person, that is a mobile network moves with a person. Suppose a person actually establish a network connection, then it creates connection with the another device to share the information. That's why, like, we are connect our phone with a laptop or system to transfer any information like that. So this kind of a network is actually the example of a body area network. Or next point is, that is offline network. Offline network is, offline network can be created inside the home, so it is also known as the home network. So home network is designed to integrate the device such as printer, computer, television, but they are not connected to the internet. So, okay, so we have to clearly understand these things, that the device is something like that. With the computer system we connect our speakers, with your computer we connect our printer machine or fax machine or projector machine. So to connect this all the devices, do we need the internet connection? If you don't need this internet connection to set up a network with the other devices, then this network is called the offline network, or you can call it the home type of network. Okay, next one is small home office. So it is used to connect variety of devices to the internet and a corporate network using a VPN. Using VPN on your mobile phone, VPN connectivity is there, where actually when your data service is on in your phone, then only your phone can be connect to the server so that you can access your information. So VPN, this network is required. So through the internet connectivity or internet connection, you are you are being the part of a network, and then you are retrieving or sharing the information. Okay, so this is all about the PAN network. Thank you, student. I'm ending my